I wanted to show you this here from Rejuveen. They sent this to us so that we could show it to you. And what it is, it's a supplement with Boswellia and turmeric and for joints and tendons and things like that. And what it is, it's collagen based. And you can see it's a little capsule here, just a typical capsule here. And if you have a hard time taking capsules, you can always take it apart and just sprinkle the powder into a beverage or on your food or anything, into some yogurt or things like that if you want to. But it's actually quite easy to take. It's not hard to swallow at all, at least if you don't have trouble swallowing things this size, I suppose. But if you do, you can just sprinkle it on things or whatever. But I don't have any trouble swallowing it, so that's not a problem for me. But it's got your typical things, your Boswellia, your turmeric, and things like that in it and stuff, and seems to do pretty well. I don't have a ton of joint issues right now. Sometimes I do, but right now I haven't been having any trouble with it, but it's good for your joints and tendons and things like that. And one thing I did notice about the formulation of what was in it is that it has turmeric in it, but I didn't notice that it had any pepper in it. And one of the things about turmeric is that in order for turmeric to be as effective in your body, it needs to have a little bit of piperin or pepper, black pepper in it. And I don't see that it has any kind of pepper, like even in the other ingredients. I don't see any pepper or piperin as an ingredient in it, which usually if you want, I know turmeric is not the primary ingredient in this, and that's fine. I mean, you can see vitamin C, copper, manganese, all the other things in it, but you can see there's a little bit of a turmeric there towards the bottom, and don't see any piperin, which just is interesting to me. I'm not saying turmeric is the main ingredient in there or anything like that, but anyway, seems to be doing pretty good for me. I mean, I did have a little bit of shoulder issues there the other day, and it seems to be not as bad as it was. I mean, I'm not really having a whole lot of shoulder issues now, but maybe that was a temporary thing. Maybe it's better because of this. So, sounds good. I like it. So anyway, thanks for sending that to us.